Hi, and welcome back to the Cat's Quarters. Let's review the top 5 Tesla news stories for Tesla investors over the week of December 20th. It was a relatively quiet week news-wise, and the news that we do have is highly concentrated on Tesla's autonomy efforts. Coming in at number 5, a new paid advertisement about FSD supervised that Tesla is currently running on X. As anyone who follows Tesla closely knows, Elon has been hesitant to advertise Tesla's vehicles through traditional media channels, which has garnered some criticism from Tesla fans and investors alike. It seems Elon has no problem advertising Tesla's FSD, however, and Tesla has advertised on X over the past 2 months. The efficacy or return on investment for these ads is probably low. Most people who follow Tesla closely on X are likely already inundated by FSD videos and opinions from influential members of the Tesla X community, and so I think this is a bit like preaching to the choir. But hey, the cost of these ads is likely very minimal, so it's not like Tesla really has anything to lose here. I think the bigger opportunity for Tesla to leverage FSD from an advertising perspective is probably to advertise what FSD can do in other channels and social media platforms to attract new consumers to the brand, or to come up with some creative solutions to help first-time Tesla buyers become more aware of FSD at the point of sale. Tesla has made some efforts in this area in recent quarters, such as offering free trials of FSD, but there is a lot more opportunity in this space. Coming at number 4, and as reported by Sawyer, Neon Australia says it has begun construction of a $220 million big battery project, which will also be the first project in the world to deploy Tesla's new Megablock product, its next-generation grid-scale battery technology. Megablock combines 4 Megapack 3 units into a single deployable block offering 20 megawatt-hours, each with an integrated transformer and switchgear. Tesla says this will translate into faster installations and lower costs for grid-level storage, up to 40% cheaper. The battery energy storage market continues to be highly competitive, with Tesla holding a 15% global market share and approximately 40% share of the US market. Tesla Energy has delivered consistent, high-margin growth for the company over the past several years, and there are no indications that this trend is slowing down in the near term, as Tesla Energy is riding on a strong secular growth trend of battery energy storage globally, which based on industry experts will grow by approximately 40 to 50% in 2025 and hold a compound annual growth rate of 20 to 30% through 2035. Coming in at number 3, Tesla has introduced an updated Robotaxi website, which showcases Tesla Robotaxi key features and the Robotaxi app. The call to action on the site is encouraging users to download the Robotaxi app. At the time of this video, Tesla Robotaxi service is only operational in the United States, in the cities of Austin and San Francisco. The Tesla Robotaxi app itself is available for download on iOS only in approximately 12 countries and regions, where users can join a waitlist or view information, but rides are not yet possible outside of the United States. Those countries include the United States, Canada, Mexico, Australia, New Zealand, Japan, South Korea, Thailand, Taiwan, Hong Kong, and Macau. Coming in at number 2, we have more news coming out of South Korea this week, with Tesla announcing that over 1 million cumulative kilometers have been driven by Korean FSD owners in 1 month since FSD's launch in that country. Early user reports and influencer videos highlight smooth performance in Seoul traffic, reduced driver fatigue on long trips, and minimal interventions needed. No major incidents have been widely reported in this initial period. For additional context here, Australia and New Zealand hit 1 million kilometers in just 2 weeks following the launch of FSD in those countries earlier in 2025. But South Korea's case offers a more challenging driving environment, with complex intersections, heavy congestion, which underscores strong user confidence. And finally, coming in at number 1, we have new pictures from Tesla's Texas drone operator Joe Tegmeyer, showcasing several early production prototypes of Tesla Cybercab at the factory, as Tesla continues to work towards an April 2026 start of mass production date. It seems like the timeline is currently progressing as planned. As a reminder, I have a full video on Cybercab. Feel free to check it out, the link is in the description. That's all for this week. Until next time, thank you.